Okay, well I've finally got 3 stepper motors hooked up on the milling machine. We've got one here on the Z axis that drives that wheel there. We've got one on the Y, just down below there, and one on the end of the X there. And they're all coming back to our stepper control box. I'll just point out various parts briefly, if I can get a good shot of that. So we've got our main transformer here and regulation circuits there. That feeds 32 volts into these 4 drivers over here. These are 4 amp drivers, and then out through the cable off to each stepper. And we've got a control board there. I'll see if I can get in close there. So that's off eBay, the control board and the stepper drivers. This is a 5-axis control board. It came with a 4-axis digital readout, which I don't have installed at the moment, and also this paddle control. So it's a small paddle control, but it sort of does the job. Let's do a little bit of imagination to pretend that the spindle is actually spinning and that we can move more than one axis at a time. Obviously, because of the way the paddle works, it only does one at a time. So we're getting there.